Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here with the Ford Crown Victoria. This is a 2003 Ford Crown Victoria. Today we're going to be going over if the paint is original or do I believe the car has been painted over. And I'll go over how the paint and everything works with this car. Let's get started. So as you see, we have a all white Ford Crown Victoria. Now right there on the pillar, right there, you see the paint has been scraped off right there. But other than that, man, the paint is in pretty good shape. Now, if you know anything about the Ford Crown Victoria, between 2000 and 2005, you know, they had like a lot of paint issues, and even on up to like 2008, the paint would just flake off and you'll have, you know, just a lot of paint missing. But on this particular vehicle, the paint is in actually pretty good shape for the age of the vehicle. Now, this vehicle, when I got it, only had 103,000 miles, but I'm pretty sure it spent a lot of its life outside of a garage. So therefore, I don't think this is the original paint. Now, I did buy another Crown Victoria one time that did spend a lot of time in the garage, but after owning it for about a year and it stayed outside, the paint actually started to chip away. So let's go over why I don't believe this is the original paint. Now, of course, if you've been following the channel, this back bumper, I did that myself because it was damaged, so I had to replace the bumper. But let's go over the rest of the vehicle. All right, so as you see, this is the actual white because this is the trim piece. As you see, that one's coming off. So that's the white that it should be. But I believe this car has been repainted. Let's go over that real quick. Let me show you why. Come around to the front. This molding, all right? I believe this was chrome molding because we have the chrome door handles on the car. We have the chrome trim on the back. So we're going to assume that this molding was also chrome. So some may say, well, no, the molding could have been, you know, white. Usually they don't put the, they'll leave it like that with the indent right there. But this one has molding right here. So to come on around to the front. Now the front of this car is in pretty good shape because it doesn't have like a lot of old bug residue and all those rock chips and stuff. I'm actually about to wash the car. But as you see, underneath this white that's flaking off right here, there's your chrome. Now I'm pretty sure from the factory they don't paint over the chrome trimming. Right, they usually leave it black or don't put it any right here at all. I must say they did a great job of painting the car. And another thing right here, this is one of the biggest giveaways. You see this overspray? Yep. Now you could say, well, maybe they just replaced the bumper and had to paint it. Well, that could be the case. Like I said, the paint is in pretty good shape and it all matches as well. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think this car is, of course, on this Crown Victoria, I'm actually glad that it's been repainted. But now let's say you was going to buy something expensive and you want to know if that was the original paint. Well, guess what? I do have memberships now. If you join one of the memberships, I will tell you how to figure out information like that about damages, about cars, if they've been repainted, things like that. So if you want to buy a nice car and you want to have some tips on what to look for, check out the membership. And I'll leave a link in the description below. So you won't really be able to tell on camera, but you see you got this white doesn't match that white. Now, of course, if you're going to repaint the car almost the same color, you don't have to do the door jambs. But we come up top, a little bit more of that overspray. This is the front, and there go more of that overspray. So yeah, this car definitely has been repainted. So I'm just about finished with cleaning this one up. Just gotta go ahead and clean these wheels. All right, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the car being repainted, or if you think it wasn't repainted, and what are your thoughts on that. Well, on that, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you on the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.